Hey everyone, Carol Hickman here with Chickstamper. How are you doing today? I wanted to show you this cute little treat that I made last week. It was my thank you gift or pillow gift, as we like to call them, for all orders this past week, and they're being shipped out today with the class kit. So it holds one of these adorable, cute little mini Tic Tac containers. And you can see it's just a simple little design, but I thought I'd show you real quick how I made that. First, let me show you the cards that we made. These are from my last Friday's Facebook Live. And of course, this is using the Flowering Cactus product medley, which I just love. Isn't it adorable? It has so many great components to it. It has this beautiful paper, and some of the paper I've used quite a bit of it. You get 8 sheets of each design. But look, this paper has several cacti in it that you can use the dies to cut it out that come with the medley. So the medley is still available while supplies last. It is retiring, unfortunately, so it won't be in our new catalog. But it's so cute, you might want to pick it up. And while you're at it, you should pick up a refill. The refill will have the full pack of paper, another 8 sheets of these adorable felt embellishments, and it will have another pack of the Calypso Coral Twine linen thread, as well as the regular colored linen thread that we're going to use today for our project. All right. Oops. All right, so this is cute. So the Flowering Cactus stamp set and the die set, 10 dies come in this set. So you get the paper, the stamp set, the dies, the 2 spools of linen thread, plus 8 sheets of felt embellishments, you guys. It's a great deal. So take a peek at that. And if you have purchased from me in the last week, thank you so much. And your class kits are going out today. Okay, so our cute little thank you gift. I'm gonna start with a 1" by 5.5" piece of Calypso Coral. And let me get my scoreboard out here. So I'm just gonna score down at 2 3/8 and 3 1/8. And that's just gonna make our little bottom part for the little Tic Tac container. So I've got the lovely labels Pick-a-Punch, and this is carrying over into our new catalog. So I'm just going to stamp, or excuse me, punch each side. There we go. And we'll just burnish these score lines. This is just such a cute, quick and easy little project. So you could make them in no time flat. You can make up a whole bunch. So I've got a little hole punch here. I think it's maybe 1/8 inch. And I'm just gonna put a hole in there, and that way I'll be able to tie some of the linen thread through it to hold everything up. So I've cut off a little piece of the designer paper. This piece is 7/8 inch across and 1.5 inches long. So we'll just get a little adhesive here, and we'll attach this right to the front side here. There we go. And then we've got our cute little Tic Tac container. It has a little well on the bottom, so it actually works best with some Stampin' Dimensionals as far as trying to hold it onto the card. And then of course they'll just pop right off of the dimensionals for the recipient. So I'm just gonna put it right down in here just to hold it. There we go. And I want to take about 24 inches of this twine, so I'm just going to kind of guesstimate here. And I'm just going to leave it doubled up like I have it, so that when I tie it through, it'll become a double bow. And I'll just loop this in through. and tie a bow. Well, let's try that again. Here we go. Sometimes the smaller things are, the tougher it is, right? There we go. And then I'll just trim these ends off. There you go, that's so cute. So for our sentiment, it says, "Happy looks good on you." So that is from the Flowering Cactus stamp set, which comes in the product Medley. So it's something that you can't buy on its own. Let me just make sure I'm in camera here for you. And I'm just gonna stamp this with Calypso Coral ink. And then I'm gonna use the classic label punch, which is retiring, so I'm so sad. So I'm gonna use it. This could be probably the last time you'll see me using it in a video. I'm gonna miss it because it's small and easy. So if you don't have it, you might consider putting this on your list. You can go to my store at chick.stampinup.net and look for the last chance list and everything that's retiring. You'll find on there. And then that's something that if you're interested, you can make a few purchases. There are some die sets down to, I heard even, I think $4. So there's some great deals in there. Let's see. I'm just going to put this down here towards the bottom. I might have made my adhesive a little, oh no, that'll work. Happy looks good on you. And then I thought it would be cute to use some of these embellishments, these felt embellishments. They're so cute. There's little flowers. We can do even maybe a little, kind of a bigger flower. And I have found they go on best with the liquid glue, the multi-purpose liquid glue. So this is the back side. So I'm just gonna put a little dollop there, tiny little amount. And I'll just put it right here onto our treat. That's it. Isn't that fun? I hope that you enjoy these projects, you guys, with the product Medley, the Flowering Cactus. I just love them. And it's fun to learn that people love it all over the country and the globe. Because I live in Phoenix, I guess I feel like I'm expected to like it, right? But I want to know that everybody else likes it. And with the Facebook Live I did last week, that's what it sounds like. So yay. Cactus are just so beautiful and pretty. So I'm glad you guys are having fun with it. Let me know if you have any questions. And remember, if you have ordered this past week and your order was over $35, thank you so much. And your class kits with those cards and today's treat is going out today for you. They're ready for the mailman to pick up. So have a great day, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.